Hi guys, we are in St. Petersburg, Florida. We're only here for 2 nights at our current location. It is a Boondockers Welcome location, which is the same thing we stayed at earlier this week for 2 nights. And we thought we'd check out and see what we could find to do in the area, because we basically really only have 1 day to stay here.
We're at Sawgrass Lake Park. It's a county park in Pinellas County, Florida. It's 400 acres and we're ready to check it out. We'll give you an update on what we see.
Right now we're on the boardwalk, which is really cool, and we're enjoying it. So if you look right through there, you'll see the overlook tower. That's where we're headed.
Also here at Sawgrass Lake Park is the largest maple swamp on the Gulf Coast of Florida. So we're going to take this section of the boardwalk and see what we see.
So just so y'all know, there are just these beautiful ferns growing all over underneath this boardwalk. They're beautiful. Check it out. So we're off the boardwalk now, and we're going to take the hammock trail. It's a loop. I don't think it's very long. It's less than a half a mile, and it's a sandy trail. Let's go.
interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
So a couple of videos back, and the one where we were packing up to leave, we were telling you about a new thing we were trying, the T-Mobile home internet. Let me start out by saying we are not affiliates of T-Mobile. We don't get anything from T-Mobile. They don't support us in any ways. We just think this is a good product that we want to tell you about, and we feel like that's our job, to tell you about good products that we find. This is the T-Mobile home internet thing. We have been carrying it around now with us for 2 weeks in 3 different states. And I have to tell you, we are loving this. The T-Mobile home internet right now, I don't know if Danny can zoom in or not. It's bouncing back and forth between 3 and 4 bars out of 5. And we're having great service here. Like, really great service here. Alexa, what's the forecast for today?
Right now in Sturgeon Bay, it's 56 degrees Fahrenheit with showers. Tonight's forecast has cloudy skies, with a low of 56 degrees.
So our Alexa works, our Fire Stick works. We're able to stream. We have been at, I'll let Danny tell you how many places we've been at and the service that we've had at those places.
We have stayed at 6 different places, and it's worked great. We've been able to stream. We've been able to connect phones, computers, Alexa, and Fire Stick at every place but one. So,
Sorry, I don't know that.
Alexa, stop. So, 5 out of 6, we were able to stream and have no issues at all. In that one place, we had 0 phone service. So, I don't know if anything, maybe the Starlink would probably have gotten service, but that's the only place we've had trouble. So, free equipment, $50 a month. We feel like it's worth it. You know, if we'll continue to use it, we'll continue to give you updates. Right now, it's working good for us.
Now back to your regularly scheduled program.
Until next time, God bless and many safe travels.
And go RV, America.